Hey everyone, artificial intelligence is taking the world by storm ever since OpenAI's ChatGPT model launched in late November in 2022 and attracted over 100 million users. Companies from Alphabet to Palantir have been racing to capitalize on the AI trend. And when Palantir CEO Alex Karp was asked, you know, what's your pricing strategy to capitalize on the AI market? You're not going to believe what he said. So I think this video is going to be interesting. So let's get into it. So Morgan Stanley research analyst Keith Weiss was asking Palantir management, saying, you know what, the commercial opportunity with the AI platform, two questions. Can you talk us a little bit about the changes you're going to make with the AI market? And can you give us any sense as to the pricing of the platform? So the CEO, Alex Karp, jumps in and says, you know what, AI is just to take our strategy on AI is just to take the whole market, period. We just want the whole market. We have no pricing strategy. We're going to create a lot of value. We're going to get hundreds of customers and we'll price it as we go. We're not going to worry about pricing. We're just going to create this amazing product, this amazing service. We're going to take it to hundreds of customers and we'll worry about pricing later. We're just going to look to add value to all of these customers. We're just going to get our foot in the door. We're going to lock them in as customers. We'll work out the pricing later. And so he goes on to say, when you're ahead of the market, you need to take territory. We want to take territory for two reasons. One, we believe we have the only product currently on the market that can solve some of these intricate technical needs. We've spent years building certain things like how do you manage knowledge systems across algorithms, across security interest. We believe that people will take years to build these things because as we take territory, we can educate the market. And specifically to the what they want to educate the market on is to see how hard it is, and when they demonstrate to their clients how hard it is to do it themselves or to find someone else that can do it, then you have pricing power, because then they'll try other things and they'll fail and they'll come to you and say, okay, you know what, your product is amazing, your product is awesome. Your product is delivering so much value to us as a company. It's helping us save so much cost. It's helping us reduce risk. It's helping us to grow revenue. And, we're willing to pay you $10 million, $20 million because we know it's going to bring us $50 million, $75 million in savings and revenue. And so we're willing to spend that money because we know it's going to give us even more in return. So to go on, in the US commercial context, our strategy is going to be to take territory, educate the market, and make it very difficult for competitors to enter the market because they'll have to compete with a product that we've already been working on for years, with solving technical issues that the market doesn't yet realize exist. So, an ambitious, bold strategy on artificial intelligence from Palantir and Palantir CEO Alexander Karp. Now, it remains to be seen the effectiveness of monetizing this strategy, right? That's going to come down the road after the company demonstrates this effectiveness and then shows that it can monetize it. But to be fair, Palantir has done an excellent job already in, starting pilot programs with clients and then turning them into paying clients. Company has made progress on profitability, positive cash flow. So as an investor in Palantir stock, you can be reasonably confident that this strategy will work well for Palantir and Palantir stock investors. But I thought this was interesting because it's an ambitious strategy. It's one that just says, you know what, competition, bring it on, right? Bring it on. I want to see you guys try to compete with us. We're going to take the whole market, right? That's ambitious, that's bold, and that's aggressive. All right. So that's all I've got for this video. I found it to be really interesting. Palantir's strategy on artificial intelligence and how they aim to take the whole market. I hope you found it interesting as well. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.